This is a chartered accountant meeting, but industrialist speaking to all of you. I don't know, majority may be chartered accountants. వై బీజేపీ అనేది అందరూ ప్రశ్నించుకోవాల్సిన విషయం. చాలా అంటే చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ నెగ్లెక్ట్ దిస్ టైం. అండ్ సార్ ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినట్టు దిస్ 1 week is more than enough to see that you turn the tables in favor of BJP. ఎందుకంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో, అందరూ సోషల్ మీడియా ఫాలో చేస్తుండొచ్చు. లాట్ ఆఫ్ information is coming out, and I myself at this age am surprised. ఈ 70 ఏళ్ళల్లో మనం అసలు ఎట్లా బతికినాము, ఎట్లా ఏం చేసినాము, ఇంతవరకు ఎట్లా వచ్చినామో దేవుని అదృష్టమే అనుకుంటా. ఇదేమని అనుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే ఈ దేశం చేసుకున్న పుణ్యమేమో ఇంతవరకు వచ్చినాము. అండ్ యాజ్ ఫర్ as the party is concerned, it has got a very big leader and someone who is really very clean and who wants to do very good for this country. And 10 years of chala pattu chusindru andaru with respect to even economy. Naakante better chartered accountants ni andaru telusu undali. The numbers are very good and lot of people are definitely what I should say, proactive towards declaring their whatever filing ani, whatever it is there, it is going in a very good fashion actually. We, with respect to us, we have a group of friends, childhood friends. Majority of them of my childhood classmates, we are all BJP followers from our childhood. And last two elections, when the 2014 was there and 2019 was there, we are batch of that class in the school. We have done extensive propaganda and saw that people come and vote actually. That is the most important thing in the election. Majority of them take it as a holiday. And this time also I think if the second Saturday and something else is coming and 3 days continuous holidays are there. So this time around, our request to every family wherever we are going, we are telling them, please, this one weekend, forget about everything, think about the country and please vote. Holiday you can take any time. Anyway, the kids are the entire May holiday till the first week of June. So our request this time is please come and vote. And everybody in the family should vote. Earlier, I don't know, father, mother would vote, the children will say, chalo, dal diye na, everything will be taken care of. No. This time around, when it is charge so far, you have to come and vote. There is no other alternative if it has to be charge so far. Otherwise, the percentage of voting is going to be the same old, and let's keep our finger crossed for charge so far. But if everyone votes, it's possible. Definitely it's possible. That's it. And please, my only request is come out and vote. Thank you.